informal side. What do you read? What do you listen to? And what do you watch? Then we go into experience. How do we invest in experience? We often say, experience is the best teacher. Totoo po yan. Experience is actually the best teacher. Pero para magawa mo na ang experience ay better teacher, kailangan i-direct mo rin ang sarili mo sa mga tamang eksperyensya. At ito po basahin niyo yung libro ni Malcolm Gladwell called Outliers. He says, to be good at anything, we spend the minimum 10,000 hours at something. So, yung pinaggugulan daw natin ng panahon, 10,000 hours, sigurado magiging magaling tayo doon. And totoo nga naman, if you're going to look at the best athletes, you're going to look at the best professionals, the best people in any field, makikita nyo, yan yung naggugol na matagal na panahon to be an expert in whatever arena that they are part of. So, doon sila pumili ng experience. And when we're thinking about experiences, we have to dictate the kind of exposure we want. Saan ka mag-i-expose? At ito po, tatlong bagay lang din. Okay? What do you usually do? Ano ang madalas na ginagawa mo? Kasi kung ano yung ginagawa mo ng madalas, diyan ka magkakaroon ng eksperyensya.